Now for the best in Cleveland. Cleveland Now.
I'm here with Keith Bevan from Bevan Associates. Keith, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Jen. Appreciate it.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about why you started your law firm?
Well, I had quite a background in blue-collar working prior to college and law school.
Okay.
And I worked at Ford Motor Company. And when I did leave Ford on my own to start my own law practice, I had a lot of people who knew me from Ford were contacting me. I felt I did quite well relating to them, dealing with them.
When did Bevan Associates focus on mesothelioma and asbestos cases?
We started in 1986 with a limited amount of cases, and it really did not take off beyond that until 1991 when my son Tom joined the law firm, and he started concentrating solely on the asbestos litigation end of the practice.
A lot of folks are intimidated by lawsuits, filing for lawsuits. What does that entail? How do you make your client feel comfortable doing that?
For one, we're used to dealing with blue-collar clients, which are the bulk of ours, and we try to make them feel as comfortable as possible. We try to impress upon the clients that by signing with us to file a claim doesn't necessarily entail a lawsuit. Many of our cases are settled through bankruptcy trusts, which are trusts that are set up by companies that have dealt with asbestos, that have put money aside that will pay clients for their asbestos exposure based on certain criteria. That takes care of a lot of our cases. A lot of claims that we do also handle, we handle through workers' compensation, and which does not entail lawsuits either.
Mr. Bevan, how can a client get a hold of you?
Well, you can either call or go to the website that's on our screen.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
This has been Cleveland Now.